Hello kids! This week we start a new unit and we are going to learn vocabulary in connection to nature, the nature trail, and the present continuous. Okay, let's start. Look, forest. This is a hill. Grass, river, leaves, lake, sand, road, path, and bridge. Now, the present continuous refers to activities that are being done in the moment. These activities are happening now, at this moment, okay? Let's have a look at the examples. What are you doing? I am running. And pay attention to the red color here. I am running. What are you doing? I am walking. What are you doing? I am swimming. What is he doing? He is climbing a tree. And look at the picture here. What is she doing? She is riding a bike.